Hey guys, Pretzel here, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Neca mothra figure. I have got the money for this figure, so I thought I might as well pick it up while I can. Hopefully I'll be getting my Neca Rodan in the next couple of days. I'm not sure when he'll be coming, but I'll surely be making that video. But before we jump into that, I just want to say I got my replacement Jack Specific King Ghidorah, so that's all good. And out of that, let's get into this. First we'll look at the box. The box is really cool. This is my favorite out of all of the NECA Godzilla King of Monsters figure line. This is my favorite box. My favorite part of this is this piece right here. I really like this concept art. And obviously Mothra inside the box. This is out a little bit. This isn't supposed to be like, it's supposed to be like under that string right there. And it looks like it might have bent a little bit, but I think I can easily fix that with a blow dryer, but we'll just have to see to figure out how I can open the box. But it's so smart!
These scissors are not okay. I was going to say these scissors are not good, but then they just work.
Alright, there's Mothra. And this is not my first Mothra figure, by the way. My first Mothra figure is the Bandai vinyl Rainbow Mothra. Come on. Here's this little thingy. We'll get the base out first.
Oh, it is on string. Let's see if I can cut that out. Basically that. And this too.
Well, that was easy. Well, here's the base with the, I guess, monarch type thing, and the Mothra's chrysalis that is broken, and obviously just put that in right there. Can it extend? It cannot. Now we'll open up Mothra. She looks very smaller than I thought she would, to be honest, which is understandable because it's Mothra, and in the movie she's like extremely tiny. Well, not extremely tiny, but you get my point. Mothra, come on. I'm really kind of nervous about this because I don't know if the wings are be broken or anything. I hope not. I'm not going to move the articulation as much as I would because I want to warm up the figure first so I don't break any of the joints. Definitely a tiny figure, if you will. I'm actually very impressed with this figure. Looks pretty cool. And it actually feels like a moth. The joints are not loose so far, so that's really cool. This one's a little bit loose. This one is similar. And the tiny ones are bent and a little bit stiff. This one's bent inwards and this one's a little bent outwards. So I'll probably provide heat on them to try to fix that. I feel like one of these wings can just pop off at any second. And they're kind of like a hard plastic type. I would imagine this figure is pretty easy to break, I guess you could say. Like, if I were to bend the wings, I'm pretty sure they would break. They are translucent, which is really cool, but I'll get into more of that in the review. All right, I'm really liking this figure so far. We'll see how the base feels. Is that how the base goes? I don't know. I don't think that's how that goes. Alright, that's how I'm gonna have it for now. And stay. Perfect. So yeah, I'm actually very impressed with this figure, minus the fact that the tiny wings are a little bent, but I'm pretty sure I can fix that. If not, not a big deal. But I mean, it would have been nice to not be like that, but it's not that big of a deal for me, in my personal opinion. But that is it for this video. Also, I hope you like my new shirt that I bought too. But yeah, that is the unboxing video. Hold on, let me get out of the way so you guys can. No! I thought I was gonna do that. Oh well. But yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed with this figure. I actually really like it. Probably my best Mothra figure so far. Well, actually, it is my best Mothra figure. And my first articulated Mothra figure. So, expect the review to come out sometime later. I will be making a news video before this, so stay tuned for that. Wait, did I say? Yeah, okay. I got lost for words for a second. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I know I was pretty far away from the camera, so I just kind of now realized that, so I do kind of apologize for that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.